I know what you can do, change the world, I know it's true. Oh, oh.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be an ordinary makeup tutorial. And today I'm really excited because I will be trying out the new Dose of Colors palette. This is the Cutting Edge palette. If you didn't know, Dose of Colors launched two new palettes. This one is Cutting Edge and the other one is Smoky Soiree. And I specifically chose this one because the colors are definitely very different. Not usually the colors that I would go for besides this shade in the middle right here. What's really unique about this palette is that it also has two shimmer shades. If you know Dose of Colors, if you're a fan, you know that these palettes are usually just all matte colors. So I was really surprised when I saw that it has some shimmer shades in here. So I'm really stoked about that. I also chose this palette because it's very different. I don't usually wear green on my eyes. And yeah, I just thought it would be something different to try. This is actually my first palette since Dose of Colors changed the packaging. Very smooth and sleek, very modern. If you guys want to see me create a look using this palette, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Alright, so let's jump right into this palette. This is the beautiful palette right here. I want to first start off with this mustardy color, I would say. This is going on to the crease. So I usually go for like a more brown or orangey type color onto the crease. I would have used this one, but I really want to go out of my comfort zone and try something totally different. So I am putting this color on my eyes instead. For the outer corners, I'm going with this greener shade. It's like an army green shade. Just going to blend it out. Ooh. Looks a little patchy. Kind of hard to blend on the outer part here. I don't know if it's due to the base or is it the color, but I use the P. Louise base so much. It doesn't really do that to my eyes, but for some reason I'm having a hard time blending out over here. There definitely seems to be some patchy spots on my eyes. I've had so much of these palettes and they usually perform really nicely. So yeah, I am kind of weirded out by this. I'm going to be putting a color right here anyway, so hopefully that will fix up this look. I want to go in with this green shimmery shade right here. Such a pretty green. I'm just going in with my fingers. I'm going to apply that right onto my eyes. It feels really nice. It's like shimmery green with some gold reflexes. So that's really nice. This patchy part right here. Just gonna add some more of that green shade on the outer corners. You want to make sure that mustardy, yellowy shade pop out. I think it turned out really nicely after I add that green shimmery shade. I'm going to move on to the face and finish the rest of my eyes later. That is usually the routine. I'm going in with this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I got this in my box charm and I just feel like it's actually really making my complexion really brighter. It has this like banana orangey smell to it as well. So it's really nice. For foundation, I want to go in with a trusty foundation of mine, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the dewy version, and then also my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Alright, so I want to move on to the bronzer now, and this is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunshine. I've been really enjoying this bronzer.
So keep on pushing up that hill, yeah. You are building up your wheel, and when you make it, don't stop.
Some of that down here as usual, although it doesn't really make a difference these days. For blush, I'm going back into the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush. I've just been using this palette lately because there are 6 different colors that I can choose from, so I've just been wanting to really enjoy each color. And for this look, I think that this shade up here, Spacey, it's like a nice plummy mauve color. I feel like it's gonna be perfect for this look. Oh, actually looks a lot lighter and brighter. Okay. I mean, it's still not bad. I still think it's very, very pretty. It applies really easily onto the skin. Okay, I'm just going to quickly finish the eyes and then I'll go on with the highlighter and the lips. I'm going in with that army green color on the outer corner here, and I'm putting that on the lower lash line. This smoky green look. I'm going in with the pencil side of the brush and go into this gold color and apply that on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going in with the brown eyeliner and apply that onto the lower waterline. I'm gonna tight line my upper eyes as well. And then to finish the eyes off, I'm going to go into this doe lash. This is in the style really, really low key, so they're on the more natural side. I obviously want my eyes to show, and I didn't really want dramatic lashes to like block the look. The lashes are on, they are more on the natural side like I said earlier. I've been actually trying to embrace my natural lashes more, even though I don't have any lashes. But yeah, so I've just been wanting some more natural lashes just so it doesn't cover the look. The highlighter that I'm going in with is this Nabla Skin Glazing Class Skin Finish Glow Powder. And this is in the shade Privilege. It's like a nice champagne gold shade. So I can definitely see it definitely has that champagne golden look. And it also looks like the glow from within look as well. So I really do like that. It just melts right into the skin. So it's really nice. Pretty. And to finish off this look, I am going in with this lipstick right here. And this is from Lawless Beauty. This is the lipstick in the shade Suede. So it's a very nice nudie brown color, which is definitely my type of nude. I like that this is also magnetized. To finish this whole look off, I'm going in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Spray. My handy dandy fan. Alright, and this is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating this army green, beautiful smoky eye. I feel like it's really different, really unique. It's not something I always go for, so I really like it. To be honest with you, I'm not really sure what happened with the mattes in this palette. I don't know if it's my eyes, maybe I didn't blend the primer well or something, but it was a little bit patchy to begin with. But all I did was kept patting more colors onto the outer parts of my eyes, and it filled in the patches, so it wasn't too bad, and you know, I made it work. I am definitely going to continue trying out this palette, using it, seeing if it's you know, really the mattes or is really my eyes. I really like it and I hope you guys did as well. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be a part of the little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. And without further ado, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!